If you want your Xiaomi Watch 5 to count steps, then all you have to do is, first and foremost, of course, you need to wear it on your wrist, and it is recommended to wear it properly. Usually you have to wear it like 1.5 to 2 centimeters away from the wrist bone. Usually you can just place your finger in order to determine how far the watch should be worn, just like that. Now, besides that, you can of course check how many steps you have done at this given day. You can simply open the stats app, which we should be able to find on this list of apps. There we go, here it is. And here we can see our steps, how many we have done today. You can also quickly open the stats app, usually by just tapping somewhere on the watch face. In the case of this standard watch face, we have calories burned here on the right side, which is also included in the stats app, so you can just tap over here in order to be immediately redirected to that app. And besides that, if you use the MyFitness app, if you open it on your smartphone, and if you go to device and of course make sure that you have Xiaomi Watch 5 selected, then over here we should be able to go to fitness and health. Here we have the stats, and you should be able to adjust how many steps you want to do daily. You can also select calories, how many you want to burn, how many calories you want to burn every day. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.